girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we are here at Manatee
State Park. Manatee Springs State Park?
Manatee Springs State Park. I thought she was going to finish it, but let's check this place out. We've already spotted some manatees. Pretty cool. So this cold weather is perfect for the manatees to come in and try to warm up in the shallower water. So there are a bunch here. They said 7 were spotted today so far, and we think we've seen like 3 to 5, but it's hard to tell. They stay underwater for a bit. Well, good morning. We did a terrible job at filming yesterday, but we were pretty exhausted. We were actually coming from the RV show, the Florida RV show, and a Winnebago Echo Rally. So it's fun, but it does get tiresome kind of jumping around the show, filming things, you know, doing that type of thing. And we had a great time at the rally. Ton of Echoes showed up. I believe it was 54 or 55 total. Ended up showing up, which is pretty cool. We got to put a lot of faces to names from the Facebook group and from people that follow our channel, so that was kind of cool. But this morning, we need to get on the road here shortly. We got about 4 hours to drive to get back up to Pensacola, 4.5 hours. But we're going to make these. These are Trader Joe egg bites, and they are kind of like the Starbucks ones, which are delicious. So we're going to give these a try this morning for breakfast and see. Well, smells good. Looks good. Looks like egg bites, so there's that. I also wanted to give you all a tip for van life / RV life. Walmart now has these dollar, I don't know if you can see that, these dollar condiments and like sauces. So little sriracha, because I only use sriracha usually with like eggs, or if we do eggs with avocado, you know, the avocado toast like style. Pretty convenient, doesn't take up space, and they had all kinds of things, all kinds of different barbecues and stuff like that. So little tip for you all. These are pretty cool. I can confirm they taste like the Starbucks ones. They're pretty delicious. So I recommend Trader Joe's. You want quick, easy breakfast, the egg bites. These are the cheddar and bacon. They're good, and they're not badly priced. So we stayed in site 53. And just to give you guys a heads up, T-Mobile, we had 1 bar. So we actually threw up the Starlink, as you can see. But pretty big, spacious site, and pretty private if you look around. And it got extremely cold last night. Actually got down below freezing according to my phone. So yeah, there was that. But we stayed nice and toasty. And the reason we actually hooked up Starlink was because we have our van out on a rental right now, so we needed to make sure we had service just in case the renter had any issues, which thankfully I was connected because the renter did message me. So no big issues, just asking how to do something. But we're going to get you packed up, get on the road. Got to get everything put away here and get Starlink put away, and then hit the road to get this drive done with. We got Muna just chilling, nice and cozy in here. Nice 70 degrees. Bjorn was standing up, falling asleep over there earlier. Oh, he's laying down now. Such a weird little man. And I don't think we've ever showed you guys, but we actually store our Starlink in this Husky container. And it is the 12-gallon container. And it actually fits perfect in there, as you can see. So it is a little tip for you guys also with Starlink to protect it until we get it mounted up there. This is going to be keeping it safe for us. And so Manatee Springs is a really cool place. It was a lot of fun walking around yesterday. We didn't show you guys a bunch, but there are a bunch of walking trails. There is an amazing boardwalk, but it's currently closed. They're doing maintenance and repairing it and kind of replacing sections. So there's that. But there's even like a little park, a little store. They do have food, some souvenirs. We get picked up a magnet. So we definitely recommend it. It's going to be warming up this week, and this would be a good place to come. You're kind of at that point right now where the manatees are out because of the cold water and the cold weather. They're coming, inside to try to get warm in the little bay area. So yeah, right now it's going to warm up this week, but we're kind of at that point where it's really chilly out. So it's the perfect time to come here and see the manatees because they're coming into shore and shallower water where the water's warmer. And Brittany actually felt the water yesterday and she said it was decently warm. So
It wasn't warm. It just wasn't freezing cold like we're used to up north.
Yeah, it was warmer than the air.
Yeah.
So the manatees were enjoying it and we got to see them luckily.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see